In this video, I will show you how to create a CRM email template in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. You will then see your dashboard. On the left part is your menu list. Navigate to the marketing button. A set of cards will appear on your board. Click on the first one, which is the email campaign. After clicking, a prompt will appear stating that you will need an upgraded subscription to access all the features of the app. Go back to the set of cards and at the top find My Templates. Click on that. Another board will appear. Click the Create Template button. You will then see a list of template designs. Pick the one you like and hit the Save button below. Once you go back to your email templates, you will see that your chosen template is now saved there. And that's how to create a CRM email template in Bitrix24.